Name it. Ask me anything. I will do. Ask me. See, you are just looking at me. You don't know who I am. Just ask me anything.
Really?
I'm ready.
Okay.
I'm ready. Just ask me.
Actually,
Let's
before we start anything, I wanted to ask for a favor before. But as you talk to me, I ask now. I will ask.
You ask of a favor?
Yes.
Ask again.
I be won't pay my mama hospital bill. She been in the hospital for like 2 months now. And I need money.
Like how much?
30,000.
30,000. You know one thing? That 30,000 is small money. You know what thing we dey do for Nigeria now? Money laundry. You get some kind of money wey you go put for pocket. And all this say baba, now I no go put money wey pass my power put for pocket. So that 30,000 per pimp. So more do wetin I go give you the 30,000.
Another one, baby. You know too much. My junior sister be one collect jam form.
Jam form?
Yes.
Jam? Form?
Yes.
And how much? Like how much?
Like 7,500.
7,500.
Yes.
So if we dey go now, that's 7,500 plus 30,000. Make it 37,500. So no problem. No problem.
But before make my elder brother dey final year for university. He won't pay in second semester money.
Second semester?
Yes.
Money?
Yes.
Right. So like you know say all those second semester money now like say the guy won't do project abi.
Yes.
In short project. Okay, now like how much?
Correct.
Now like how much?
If we calculate time like when he tell me talk say na 70, but if he say 75.
70. But if he see 75, we go manage am. So 37,500 plus 75.
Yes.
That one will be 101 plus.
Yeah.
And that one too, you know say I tell you say na money laundry. So like if we finish now, we know if we go bank. And you know say ATM no fit collect more than certain money. So and if I just go, just give you the check, I will write check for you, give you. No, and I don't fit put the check for pocket. We get money laundry and we get check laundry. So I don't want me check laundry, say cash me.
That's why I love you.
So baby, so you don't finish.
He remain no one favor. Last one. My papa been talk say in agricultural farm no dey grow again. He need money for chemical. Agricultural farm.
Your father no do agricultural and agricultural science.
Yeah, they been do that.
See, come. Live in camp. I no be in camp or what? Live in camp. You carry the whole condition wey dey Nigeria. They put for this head.
No, nah, baby, now you talk to make I mention anything. But
I tell you say make you mention anything. You don't dey measure pass anything. Anything. You don't dey measure pass anything.
those one never reach wetin you no fit do now. Shebi you be babalowo. You
leave me. You know the kind condition me to where I take carry come here. See the kind condition where I take carry come here. The room where I pay for here, I never pay am. If he use more than 3 minutes, now 1 hour then give us. I scope the guy. Now 1 hour then.
Abeg shut up. So you don't get money for pocket.
Hold on there. They carry. It is all this thing where I do. Now borrow. I borrow for my friend down Leke. Now borrow.
So you don't dey confess now.
I beg you.
For show free.
Carry your condition from my side. Condition there. Condition. Your condition when in Nigeria, I won't put on top of this head. See, I get by. I dey do style because I carry am if I comot am for here, I no go find. And the thing I dey do style carry all the whole condition wey dey your body. All my body sef, wey don dey comot, everything just dey come down. My father, my mother, my sister, agriculture come na science, agricultural science for you.
See him head like cockroach head. You wan come do oshofri for here? My God no go gree for you, stupid man. Baba God, I thank you, Shineke.